Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the High Performance Trader. I am your host, Joshua Salvetti, and today we're going to talk about them moving averages. We're going to talk about how moving averages got me through an amazing trade, how we were able to capitalize on a trade over 100% just by using our critical levels and our moving averages. So give me a minute here, share my screen, and we will dive straight into it because, guys, you guys need to know how to spot this, okay? This is key. It is very important, okay? So this is the trade that we took right here today through this insane price action that we had, okay? So it was a long entry. It was off SPX. It was off open print. And I used my moving averages to help me capitalize on this move for over 102% ROI. And once again, when you learn to properly use market structure, pit numbers, and moving averages, when you can take all these three, okay? I'm going to say it one more time. Market structure, pit numbers, and moving averages. When you take those three tools and you combine them, you have the ability to avoid bad setups, capitalize on amazing ones. And guys, that's what it's all about. Like every single one of my clients, every single one of them, I tell them our number one goal every single day in the market, it's not to be green. It's not to, it's our number one goal is to identify healthy price action. Okay. So the way to spot healthy price action, you have to use your tools. Okay. Like all this information that I give you that you get from all over online, it serves one purpose. It's to identify healthy setups. Okay. The days of trading garbage setups need to be over. We need to stop FOMOing into stuff. We need to stop breaking our trading rules and doing all this nonsense because, guys, it's not working. Okay? So, real quick, by the way, we're going live tomorrow. Okay? We're going live at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. We are going to be executing this market in live time. Make sure you join us. I'm trying to get over 100 people to come. Okay? So, do me a favor, like it, subscribe it. Send it to people, share it. I'm trying to get as many people as possible so that we can just execute this beautiful strategy in front of the whole world, okay? So make sure you capitalize on that. So now let's talk about this trade. All right, so this is the trade that we took right here on SPX, right? So and to talk about this, we got to talk about yesterday's trade too, okay? This was yesterday's trade. Our extremely beautiful three-step approach presented itself yesterday, and we capitalized on it. Look. I mean, this is beautiful. The market opened right up at all-time high, okay? We got a moving average cross at a critical level, followed by a green bar that got ignored. We entered the market short, and we caught a beautiful move down to previous day high, okay? This was previous day high. This was open print. We got a beautiful imbalance from open print down to previous day high, okay? This was beautiful. Beautiful. Once again, guys, this is our three-step approach. If any of you want more information on the three-step approach, click the link below, okay? It's going to bring you directly to my website where I break down this system that has changed my life and hundreds of other traders that have joined the team as well that trade this strategy, right? Number one, identify critical level. This is open print. Previous day high, low, open or close. Number two, identify the moving average cross. This is when the 5 in the 20 cross, okay? Number three, identify your red bar that gets ignored. You enter the market long and you capitalize and you follow the cloud all the way up to the pit number, okay? So if you want a free mini course and you want the data, we have 10 months of data on this strategy. If you want it emailed to you weekly, not monthly, I send out weekly data reports. Subscribe to this, okay? It's a very effective and efficient way for you to actually become a confident trader, okay? So come check this out. And guys, by the way, we got 2 new members today, so I only have 1 more slot opened on the Trader Bootcamp special, okay? 1 more slot. So if you want to take advantage of Trader Bootcamp, get involved, a full free year on the Discord, click this right here, join. If not, check out all this other stuff. I offer great resources for you to get involved. All right, let's talk about the trade. Okay. So the trade that we're going to be talking about was today. And today was today, 7/24/2025. All right. So let me whip out the chart. And we're going to get right to it. So today was a little crazy. It's a little crazy. And you know what? Good. I like crazy. You know why? Because my moving averages guide me. And that's exactly where we got to get you guys, okay? You got to be able to look at the market and go, all right, do I want to swim or do I want to tan? All right? Like, that's what I want you to think. I really want you to think you're at a beach. You're in an ocean. I want you to look down into the ocean and go, are sharks in there or is it safe? If it's safe, I want you to get into the trade. If it's not safe, I want you to stay out of the trade. Okay? Josh, how do we know it's safe? Well, we use our moving averages. Okay? So price rallies here in the morning. We go up. We take a long play. My first play of the day was right here. We got a moving average cross right there before the bell opened. And now I am looking for a red bar to get ignored. We got in long right here. Price rejected on us. I lost 23%. Done. Okay? Is there anything I can do to prevent that? No. That's slippage. We call that slippage. It's a loss. It's going to happen. It's fine. Okay? We take losses. We don't care. We get in the position when our criteria presents. We get out of the position as soon as the red bar doesn't hold. Okay? So first trade was a loss. Price starts to rally. Okay? I'm watching this. I'm looking for an entry. I do not get one. Okay? So I take no trade here. And now this is what I want to talk about. Price starts to sell off. Okay? Hold on. Price starts to sell off right here. Now, okay, Josh, why don't you get in short? Because my criteria hasn't told me to. See, you can be one of two traders. You could be the trader that just hops in because he doesn't want to miss the move, okay? Or you could be the trader that hops in because the market's telling him to, okay? You want to be the trader that gets lucky, or do you want to be the trader that executes on a system that works? Okay? I'll tell you what, I've been both. Okay? You do not want to be the lucky trader. The lucky trader is never consistent. The lucky trader does not make consistent money. The lucky trader gets lucky today and then he loses tomorrow. Okay? The consistent trader can lose but still win, because when he loses, he's only losing 23%. And when he wins, he's making 102%. Okay? That's the difference. Like, I'm being serious. It's a mindset. It's a perspective. Most traders have it flawed. Okay? You have to only trade what works. There's no reason for me to just rush in here because some sellers came in. Instead, we get a moving average cross. Now I'm looking for the green bar to get ignored. Okay? Remember, guys, if you want more information, go to the website. I break down here all the information you need to be able to trade our strategy. Okay? So check that out. So I want to just kind of give you guys what's going through my mind here. Okay? Yes, we're getting selling. Yes, we're coming into the 50. We get a moving average cross, but we do not get a GBI. We get a green candle that wasn't ignored. Therefore, we do not enter. See, if my criteria is not present, the market conditions are unhealthy. There's sharks in the water. I do not want to participate. Instead, I go, all right, let's see what happens. I got SPY over here. I'm watching the 1 hour time frame. And I'm going, okay, let's see here if something pops up. Go figure. We're ripping into the 20 on the 1 hour time frame. See how I'm using my moving averages on larger time frames to guide me. See how I'm using my moving averages on lower time frames to guide me. See, until my criteria is present, there's no trade for me, and I'm not going to do anything. Price bounces off end of day. Now I'm going, okay, you know what? I'm going to mark this level out. This level seems important. This 635 level, okay? So now I'm going, if and when we can see buying strength coming into this level, I will go long. Also, if I can get a red bar to get ignored, I will go long. Why? Josh, there's no moving average cross yet. What do you mean you'll go long? I'm able to use the 1 hour time frame to understand the context. Buyers are in control. Sellers push price down to open print. They lost open print. Is that bullish or is that bearish? That's bullish. If sellers can't hold open print, we need to start looking at buyers. Okay? What do I need to see from buyers? I need to see a red bar that got ignored. And if I see that with healthy moving averages, I'm getting into the market long. That's exactly what we did. Let me pull out the Discord here so we can see where it is I actually called this trade out, so I can show you guys how we operate over here at the High Performance Trader. We killed it today. Let me see right here. In longs, 1:04 p.m. By 1:13, I've already trimmed. You guys see this candle? This is the 105 candle. Okay, so we called it out in the Discord at 1:04 p.m. It was the first right here, right before it turned to 105. It was 1:04. We went long on the last minute of this candle. Our stop loss was right here at 634.70. Okay, price rallies. I'm right here at 1:16 p.m. out on this candle right here, 1:15. This candle, I'm out of the trade. Done. On to the next. Back in longs, 2:02 p.m. Check this out. Josh, why are you getting in long? Great question. Ask the moving average. Ask the RBI. Okay? When price is bouncing off the 50 and you're getting a red bar ignored, and look where the 1 hour 9 is. We are on top of the 1 hour moving average. Right here. I got to take it. In long. Targeting the high. This was a beautiful trade. Once again, though, I'm using my moving averages to identify healthy price action. If you guys get anything from High Performance Trader, let it be the moving averages in the RBI GBI. It is extremely effective. Use it until you lose it. Always enter in on trades when you have spotted and identified healthy market conditions. When you trade the RBI GBI, you know exactly where to get in. You know exactly where to get out. 95% of traders fail. Not because they're stupid. It's because they don't know where to get in and they don't know where to get out. You use the RBI, you use the moving averages, and that is going to show you exactly what you need. Okay? So that was our third trade of the day. And we capitalized. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful trade. So yeah, I cleared over 102% on this trade. Once again, like, I'm not trying to be like, oh my God, look at me. I'm trying to show you guys when you use moving averages the right way, the way we teach all of our traders over here at High Performance Trader. Okay? We teach them what an unhealthy trend is, what a healthy trend is. Okay? Don't be ignorant. Oh, we're above it, so we get in. No. Okay? We need the RBI. We need the GBI. We need the critical level. We need the moving averages. Okay? So it was beautiful. All right. I need to go finish this night up with my beautiful family. Guys, we're trading live tomorrow. It's my favorite day of the week. I'm extremely excited. We're going live at 9:15. We're going to be executing in these markets. Beautiful. Can't wait. We're going to be using the principles that we use every single day. Okay. And take advantage of Trader Bootcamp. Guys, I'm being dead serious. Trader Bootcamp is not going to be around much longer. I have to redo everything because I don't have enough time to give sessions to everybody. So take advantage of Trader Bootcamp while you can. Get on our team for a full year. Okay? Take advantage of Trader Bootcamp. It is extremely great opportunity for you to master our strategy. All right? So take advantage. Don't take advantage. It really doesn't matter to me. But I love you guys. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I will see you there. Peace.